an urgent task to do, and they appear not to have done anything. They sat on the matter. That is the long and short of it. What kind of public officials are Secretary Gary Teves and Ombudsman Merceditas Gutierrez that they will not act on a cause of action that brings national embarrassment to the entire Philippine government in the international community? How dare they flaunt the order of the Philippine Senate to report on what they have done? Because if they have done something, then they would have sent a copy at least of their report or their findings. Now, Secretary Abdani, we shall conduct the interpellation this way. First, the Secretary of the Committee, the Chair of the Committee, which is myself. Then the Senate President, because of the lofty position that he occupies as leader of the Senate. Then the Chair of the Secondary Committee. And then, in the order in which they are seated, the other senators present. Secretary Abdani, whom have you identified as the officials of Public Works who might have or seem to are indicated to have had cooperated with the Filipino firms in the rigging of the bids? That's what the World Bank said, and I have already educated this audience that this committee has no power to overrule the World Bank, much less interfere in its processes. Di dapat nalaman mo rin, ang November 207 pa lang, na ang report pala ng World Bank na sinasangkot itong tatlong construction firms ay nabigay na sa finance at sa ombudsman. Malalaman mo yan, sa internet pa lang, nag-i-issue na sila ng statement eh. Wala ka pa bang nakitang tao doon sa Public Works hanggang ngayon? Nakasabwat nila?
Your Honor, may I?
Just answer. Have you found a person or not? Let's abbreviate this. Ang tagal-tagal ng mga investigasyon sa Senado, walang hinahanatnan eh. Diretso na tayo. Sino ang kasabwat doon sa Public Works, itong tatlong construction firms na ito?
Your Honor, to be frank, we have not identified.
Hindi mo ginagawa ang trabaho mo. Senator Lacson, please interrogate so that we can find out who was this person who allegedly gave 70 billion or received 70 billion in connection with this.
Your Honor.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
No, you are not recognized.
Thank you, Madam Chair. For the information of the two committees handling this